How to move pictures from iPhone to Google Drive. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open the photo you want to move from here. Then, tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Select Google Drive from here. Now, tap on Folder below to choose where you want to save it in Drive. Then, tap on Save here at the bottom right corner. Once you're done, tap on Upload at the top. You have now successfully uploaded this photo to Google Drive. Following these steps, you can easily move pictures from iPhone to Google Drive. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.